What's up, you guys? It's your girl Nique, and I am back with another Pretty Melanin skincare routine video, you guys. Today I'm going to be using my sugar scrub to really get in there. And I just took my makeup off and it's the end of the night, so I'm trying to get it real clean before I go to bed. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so this is what the sugar scrub looks like, y'all. I use it a lot, so it's almost gone, but this is 100% all natural, like I said, 100% organic, and this company is black owned. I love this stuff, y'all. It's like, so first I damp my face. Let me just wet my face just a little bit. Okay guys, you use the sugar scrub twice a week, y'all. You just take some. I'm gonna stir mine up. Just take some, rub it in, and then rub it on your face. And then you rub it on your face for about 3 to 5 minutes, y'all, twice a week. Okay, you guys, now that my skin is looking super smooth, y'all already know I'm going in with my Organic Dark Spot Corrector and put it on them dark spots that I'm having problems with, which is right here. Y'all can kind of see it's a little bit darker up here. I kind of put it on my scar, over here, on my little cheek. I rub that in, and we popping for the night, baby. We ready. And that's pretty much it for tonight. That's the skincare routine. Make sure you guys go and shop Pretty Melanin and tell them Nique sent you.